So here's just a little update on Operation FLD 120. Got all the mouse shit out of there. Bunch of nests. It's still not what I would consider clean. It's clean enough I'll work on it. It's not clean enough that I'll drive it yet, but I think one of the next things is to I might even pressure wash the inside, just the floor, and try to blow a lot of that stuff out of there. I've never done that before, but I'm thinking about it. But turn this around. So got, we put fresh batteries in it, and got the motor fired up. And boy, she runs pretty dang good. What else have we done? There was a few air leaks. I had a brake can I swapped out today. This battery box is a 24-inch, and all of the covers I have are like 32. Even with all the trucks out there, that's still all I can come up with. So what I think I might do is, this seems to be just spot welded. I didn't know they spot welded aluminum, but there's a lot of things I don't know. But I think I'm just going to cut this down, and then I can get some rivets and rivet in. I think that's the plan for this battery box. I could change the battery box, but the way these brackets are, sun's shining right on you. There's two sets of two, or if I move it to the bigger hole, I'll only have one set of two. So I'll need to do some drilling. I don't really want to do that this time. But yeah, I had a couple air leaks in the back. Still have lights to work on. A lot of the lights work, but listen to this. Change the hubcap, fix some tires. What else have we done? We've changed the steering gear. It was leaking pretty bad. Got that done. Oh yeah, I had the door latch. So anyways, that's the update. We're getting there. The plan for this truck, still don't know if I'm going to I think what I'll do is I'll put it out front for sale. I think I'm going to take the top off. I don't really know how that's going to look, because it's certainly not a flat top. And Sleeper sticks up. It's a double bunk. But that sleeper will stick up, what, a couple feet? And I don't know if I like that look or not, but thinking about taking the top off. Less aerodynamic is what we're all about. So anyways, I think the plan for this truck is I'm going to put it out front for sale for a while. And if it doesn't go, I will probably put her on the road. We'll haul something. Something always needs hauled. Okay, there you go. There's the update.